This oil is great for thickening and regrowing hair, eyelashes, and eyebrows. Have you ever heard of castor oil? Well, if you haven't, then you should know that castor oil is both thick and sticky, which means that it is not everyone's favorite. Castor oil is extremely useful and beneficial for skin complexion and hair structure, but people tend to avoid it. Castor oil is your best option if you look for a cheap all-natural solution to solve your skin and hair problems. In this video we are going to show you some great ways how to use castor oil to improve thinning hair or treat scars. And we will also show you very useful trick that will help you get shiny, soft and smooth lips. Why is castor oil great for you? First, you should know that the most popular use of castor oil is for regrowing thin eyebrows and renewing eyelashes. So if you were obsessed with plucking your brows in the 90s, you are probably looking for a trick that will help you recover your eyebrows. And you will no longer miss your real hairs or be forced to fill in your eyelashes with a pencil. Note: make sure you look for hexane-free, organic, and cold-pressed castor oil. It's because this type of castor oil will provide the best results in the treatment of thinning brows and hair. You just have to apply it to your eyebrows after you clean your face, preferably before you go to sleep. You will be amazed by the results. Your brows will be considerably thicker and maybe even darker. In which way does castor oil stimulate hair growth? Now we are going to answer this question for you. How can castor oil improve the quality of your hair, eyebrows, or eyelashes? That's easy to answer. It will help you due to its high content of linoleic acid, provides strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. It also destroys fungi and bacteria that affect hair growth. As we mentioned above, castor oil is super thick, which means that it will stop hair loss by just coating the hair and preventing any fallouts. You should also know that omega-9 fatty acids in castor oil nourish hair, follicles, and skin. Castor oil has the ability to penetrate deeply and thus reach pores and hair follicles. We can also mention that castor oil has a high gloss agent, which means it gives hair glossiness and shine. You just need a small amount. Instead of smearing it near the scalp, gently rub it in the ends of your hair to keep them calm. The best way to apply castor oil. Here's what you need to do. Just smear 2 drops of castor oil between your fingers, then run them through your ends. Keep in mind that you can easily end up with greasy hair instead of getting a subtle shine. Start off with a little less than you need to determine the right amount that works best for your hair. So if your goal is to regrow hair, use castor oil in your scalp treatment. But it may be impossible for you to thin it out with any lighter oil such as room temperature coconut oil, apricot kernel oil, or other easily spreadable type. But if you want to thicken the hair at the edges of your hairline, then you should apply a tiny amount of pure castor oil. You do not want to go heavy on that one, so be careful. Use a cotton swab to apply castor oil on your eyelashes to get them thicker and stronger. This will also prevent any thinning and shedding. Use castor oil to treat scar tissue and get smooth lips. Many people around the world have seen the positive effect of castor oil on keloid scars, probably due to the fact that it penetrates deeply into the skin. Castor oil can break down deep scar tissue and eventually smooth the scar due to its softening effect. You should also know that castor oil is a promising stimulator of white blood cells. A recent study has found that castor bean oil affects the inflammatory response in subcutaneous tissues. This is probably the reason why castor oil accelerates wound healing, and also reduces scarring. Smooth lips. We all know that our lips need more care than other parts of the body. Yes, they regenerate pretty quickly, but your lips also dry out and peel. The fatty acids in castor oil not only smooth lips but also protect them. Now you probably ask yourself why? Well, it is probably cause of its thick consistency, plus it will not come off without being wiped off. Castor oil gives lips natural shine and you will sure love it. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.